Hello and welcome to Montana. I'm Marcia and this is Kevin, and we can't think of a more ideal location than right here to talk about Sleep and Beyond's wool bedding. You know, wool has been a timeless natural fiber for centuries for clothing and bedding, all because of their natural, wondrous benefits.
Here in Montana, during the 1800s and early 1900s, wool was the premier bedding choice for most people. It was definitely the bedding choice used in this hotel here that was built in 1868. Wool has been used as a great trade commodity in the form of blankets and clothing. Most militaries at the time as well were also using wool for all of their uniforms. So here in Montana, I do quite a few different wilderness excursions, and I have grown quite fond of wool over time. And not just wool, but Sleep and Beyond's wool pad. Not only do I absolutely love it in my home, but I love it even more in the mountains. Let me show you how I use it. One of the advantages of these particular toppers themselves is how they're quilted. It's amazing how he did it. It's loose enough that it traps all the air around you, but it's tight enough that it doesn't just ball up in one particular area. And I have used this in all sorts of conditions. Snow, as you can see, rain. I've even used it in summer heat. And summer heat, I just put the pad underneath me and use it as just insulation from the ground. With Sleep and Beyond's pad, I've noticed that it not only provides plenty of insulation against snow or harsher conditions, but it's a great pad and insulator. And in addition to that, being made out of wool, you can start a fire within an arm's reach and stay plenty warm and not have to worry about synthetic fibers melting to your skin if an ember sparks up. Just like that. I'll see you guys in the morning. I've been laying here for just a few minutes now, and already it is 73 degrees inside my sleeping bag here. Air temperature right now is about 10 degrees, and the surface temperature of the snow is 9 degrees. So the insulative values of the wool, just alone themselves, is plenty to keep me nice and warm on a frigid day like today. In addition to the warmth, another one of the properties of the Sleep and Beyond wool pad is it's also moisture wicking. So even if it does get damp, it still holds over 85% of its insulative values. So it's fantastic, especially in just the snow like this.